Hello everyone. So today I want to talk about our latest sensor kit extension and its ESP32 firmware. So as you can see in the latest version, like there is no delay, there is no wait statement. So the program actually runs instantaneously. So you don't need to put any delays for your firmware to execute correctly. Even though the program will run instantaneously in Scratch and will exit, the instructions will keep on running on the microcontroller in the same order in which you have given in your program. So like there is no out of order instruction or there is no loss of commands. Your program will run the same way in the same series in which you have written the commands in your Scratch program. So let's just see the demo and see like how fast it runs. So I'll just click this green flag and you can see like instantaneously the program is finished. But it will keep on running on the microcontroller and it will run on the microcontroller in the same order, the instructions in which it is written here. So like hello 1, hello 2, hello 3, hello 4, and it will keep on repeating 10 times, and then this whole things will repeat again 10 times. So 10 into 10, like 100 strings we are sending, but still the program will run absolutely fine. So you can see the program has already exited and it has started running on the microcontroller in the same order. So you can see like not any step is missed or like not any instruction is out of order. Like first 3 will come, then 4 will come, then 5 will come, then 6 will come, and like there is no instruction missing. So like there is no like 3 missing or like 4 missing. So all instruction will be quit. So all instruction will be in the queue and like it will process one by one, and like in your Scratch program you don't need to write any delay and all those things.